Hi, good evening. Today is 21st May 2025. Today is one of the best day for intraday option trader. Both CE as well as PE, both side gave very good profit, and there are four strategy which is worked out today. One is our regular strategy, fractal breakout strategy, that also entry given. One more strategy, two candle breakout, that is also given the entry today. 5 EMA breakout, that is also gave the entry today, and as well as 3 PM move, that also gave the entry today. So how we have taken all the trade, that we will discuss today. Let us go to the details video. Okay, so today you can see here Nifty, the first candle you can see here. This is the first candle. First candle around opened near 24,745 and closed near 24,723. Hence, what we selected initially, we selected 24,800 CE and 24,700 P. Both we have selected. And the CE side, if you see, CE side, this is the first candle. You can see here. CE side, you can see here, this is the first candle. This is the first candle. First candle, there is no breakout, and indicator is also not given the support. So here in the P side, this is the first candle. First candle also, it's a little higher candle only. You can see 112 to 74, 75. That means near about 40 point top and bottom, which also not give the breakout. So we waited. Means you can see here, this is the candles we have waited. Here there is no breakout, we have waited. And here you can see two candle the breakout. Second candle you can see here. Second candle also green. The first candle also green. So there is no two candle formation. The two candle formation, how it is getting formed? First candle, one candle should be red and the other candle should be green. Or first candle should be red and second candle should be green. Both, either vice versa. So if you see, first candle green, second candle also green. So here, CE side, first candle is also red, second candle also red. So here there is no two candle formation. If fractal breakout happened, then we can enter, or else we'll have to wait. So if you see in the third candle if you see is a green. So that means here CE side buyers are activating, and PE side sellers are activating. That is also going to change in the red. This is changing into green. Buyers are activating. Here sellers are activating. Okay. So now you can see here. See here. This is the first candle bottom. This is the second candle, first candle top. So this is top. You can mark the top also. This is the first candle top. First candle top. So that is 111 and the bottom is 89, means around 90. So that means there's a gap of around near about 20 points. It's okay. 15 to 20 points, it's a gap, it's okay. So hence what we did, we have entered here around 89, we entered here, we below this breakout, we entered here. So for taking the two candle breakout, only condition we'll have to see that candle should close, previous candle should be entry candle or previous candle should close below the 20 EMA. So 15 and 20 EMA, there is a only condition it is required. Otherwise there is no means or other alligator or other things, there is no need to see. Anyway, if 20 EMA is crossing below, then the alligator is also almost in the line only. So now it is getting breakout and we got the entry at 89. So then once we got the 89, immediately we are getting the stop loss of around 15 points. We are keeping the stop loss. So that is in line to our requirement. So then again, if you see, which is means around 935 candle, which is formed in the down around 89 to 72 has came. But at the same time, if you see, we got the fractal breakout also. So So what we did here below this candle also we entered once again. Below this candle also we entered once again as a fractal breakout. We entered here. Means one lot we entered at two candle breakout. Here we entered a fractal breakout. So means around now we are in the two set of order. So one we already entered 89, other we entered into 72 we entered. So now 72 means we are keeping the stop loss for this one around 10 to 12 point, means 70, 80 to 85 only we are keeping this one. Earlier we entered 89. So both put together we are putting the stop loss of 85. That means first trade we are in the profit of 4 point. Second trade we are in the risk of around 12 point. Okay, now that the second next candle is the green. So green means we'll have to wait. Still we'll have to wait, means one green, and the bottom AC and AO everything is supporting. So then next is around red. So once it is making the red, what we are doing, we are changing the stop loss to around 78. That means first trade is almost in the full profit, and second trade is almost in the risk of around 6 point only in the risk, and almost by calculating the both trade, and we are in the profit only. So now we can see here, this is the red candle. This is the red candle. So now in the two candle theory, what we'll have to do it? So one green, one red. That means that top only we will have to keep as a stop loss. Here next green, red. So we are not changing the, means this is a downward mode only. Once we are not changing the stop loss. Here red and green. That here red and green means then we are keeping the stop loss of around 76. We are keeping the stop loss. Then there is a red only. Then red only. Then here red and green. Then we are changing the stop loss to 69. So here you can see here this is red. This is red. So we are not changing the stop loss. This is red and green. So hence we are changing the stop loss to around top of this one around 54. Then again green, red only. Then this is the green. Here is a thing is there. Here red and green. Then that time we are keeping the stop loss around 50. But continuously if you see, there is a one by one continuously is a green candle is forming. That is why what we did, that third green candle, whenever it is making the third green candle, so we should not keep as it is. That third green candle we have exited around 47. So here if you see the very good trade. First entry, it's a two candle breakout that we entered around 89 and exited 47. That is 42 point we booked. And the second entry we can see fractal breakout that we entered 73 and exited 47. That means 26 point. So that is a altogether average. What you can see here, average you can say 42 plus 26 divided by 2. Average we have booked around 34 point we booked in that two set of order. Average 34 point. Booked average. Average 34 point booked in the first 1 and 2 trade. So afterwards, if you see there is an indicator, there is no support in the P side. What we checked in the C side, there is a, you can see here, there is a 5 EMA formation is happening. Here also 5 EMA formation, here also 5 EMA formation, and here also 5 EMA formation, but there is no breakout. So finally you can see here, this is the good 5 EMA breakout. This is the area we got the very good the top full top with 5 EMA breakout. Here you can see the 5 EMA breakout. So here what we did is that time spot has went to more than 24,900. So hence we selected 24,900 CE here. 5 EMA breakout you can see here. Entry around 5 EMA breakout entry around 149 we entered. So whenever 5 EMA we are keeping either 10 to 15 point stop loss, or we'll have to the previous candle top, we'll have to keep the stop loss. So here what happened, the first candle we entered here. The second candle is a very big candle. Here we have changed the stop loss to 44, means 49 to 44, but this candle has came down to around 120. That means near about 150 to 120 means 30 points. That such type of fall, na, and in the Nifty 30 point is very big. So hence what we did, we have changed to the above the 20 EMA. If it is crossing 20 EMA, if it is reversing 20 above 20 EMA, there is a possibility of going up. That is why we kept above the 20 EMA. That means 26 we have kept. 126 minus 149, that is 23 point we put into the 5 EMA strategy also. Then if you see here, this is the third entry, and the fourth entry, if you see, fourth entry is also fractal breakout. Here fourth entry is fractal breakout. Fourth entry is the fractal breakout. Fractal breakout you can see here. You can see here, this is the area, indicator support is there. You can see this area, you can see here. This is the area indicator support, full indicator support is here. This is the area. So what we entered here, this yellow line you can see here, below this fractal bottom and 102 we entered. Then afterwards, this is all two candle only, red, green only, that we are not changing the stop loss here. And this is the green red, again we are changing the stop loss to this area, means around 88 we are changing. Then this is a green red, then we are changing the stop loss to around 72 we are keeping. Then this is a green only. So here what we did, so this is the area green, and this getting reversal, and this also AC also we are making to green. So we have exited around 59. We entered 104 and exited around 59. There is 43 points solid we booked in the fourth trade also. Then if you see in the fifth trade, in the P side, fifth trade, P side fifth trade you can see here. That is also fractal breakout. Fifth trade you can see here. This is the fifth trade. That is also fractal breakout. Fifth entry, fractal breakout. You can see here, this is the area indicator support is here. You can clearly see the indicator support. This is the area indicator support is there. So based on that, this is the area indicator support is there. Based on that, here we try for the entry that there is no breakout. Then again indicator support this area. Based on this one, here we got the entry at around 77 we got the entry. Then here there is a big candle. Hence what we did, around 10 point we booked and came out. Because we are not waited for the reversal. Here actually what we did, we have, since it is a big candle, we have tried and we came out, because it's getting reversal. That is why we came out. Okay. So next, if you see 3 p.m. move, that is the sixth entry. This is the sixth entry. $3 p.m. breakout. So 3 p.m. entry. This is this one. Here you can see here, this is the 3 p.m. Candle, which was a breakout around 15:10 only, got breakout, and clearly gave the 10 point. So now overall if you see CE side, this is 3 p.m. 10 point, then 43 point, then 23 point. So total C side 23 plus 43 plus 10. 3 trade and all 3 trade are fully booked. Means 76 point. C side. And P side, first trade average we booked around 33 point. First and second. First and second, he booked around 34 point, average 34 point. Then last means around fifth entry, around 10 point. 33 plus 10, 44 point. P side 44 point. Right, 43.43. 33 plus 10, 43, 43 point plus 76 in the C side. Total 119 point. Total total 119 point. So today is a very fantastic day. So 119 point is a very good trader. Both side clearly gave the entry. And if you are constantly, if you are following the strategy, definitely we can make the profit. Thanks for watching. Let us see tomorrow how it will going to happen.